This 48-inch wide, 300-grade stainless steel refrigerator by True has a fresh food capacity of 20.7 and a freezer capacity of 8.74 for a little over 29 cubic feet. It is shown with the optional pairing kit and features an ultra matte black finish with brass trim and a tempered glass door. Inside is a stainless interior with showcase interior lighting, front-mounted dual-zoned temperature controls, and 4 tempered glass shelves with stainless trim. The 3 top shelves are adjustable. The bottom shelf is stationary, and all shelves are large enough to accommodate a 16 by 22-inch sheet pan. Below the shelves are 3 stainless full extending drawers that are soft closing. In the freezer is LED lighting, 3 adjustable electro-polished stainless steel wire shelves, 1 fixed shelf, and 3 soft closing wire bins. To learn more about refrigerators and all the options available, visit us at abt.com and click the Learning Center at the top of the page, or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.